this video, let us see what are the documents that are required to open a Demat account. There are three basic simple documents that are required. The first one is PAN card. For any financial transaction in India, PAN card is mandatory. If you don't have a PAN card, you can apply for ePAN in just 5 minutes. I have given the link in the description of this video. I will also show you how to apply for PAN card. And next is Aadhar card. So it is mandatory that you need to have your mobile number linked with Aadhar so that you get the OTP for e-signing. So this is a very important step. If you want to open Demat account online, you need to have a OTP sent to your mobile phone. If you don't know whether your mobile number and Aadhar number is linked, you can go to this website and check whether if it is linked. Go to uidai.gov.in and you can go to My Aadhar. Here you can verify email and mobile number like that. You can click this and it will go to verify page. You can enter your Aadhar number and mobile number that you think it is. If it is not registered, here this is only you can check whether it is registered or not in this site. If it is not registered, you need to visit the nearby post office or Aadhar Seva Center and get it registered. It will take a day or two to get linked. Once you visit the center, they will let everything. If you want this link, I have also given the description of the video. You can go and check whether your mobile number is really registered or not. So it will generate a OTP. If it is not, it will show there is no records associated, some error message like that. So these are the two documents. Third one is you need to mandatorily have a bank account. Either you need to have a cancelled check. If you don't have cancelled check, you need to have a passbook. If you don't have cancelled check or passbook, you need to have a 6-month bank statement or 1 month bank statement also enough. If you want to do commodity trading and futures and options trading and equity, you need to have 6-month statement. Else 1 month statement or whichever that you have is okay. If your bank statement doesn't have IFSC code and MICR code, you need to merge the cancelled check and passbook will definitely have the IFSC code and MICR code. Sometimes, for example, Axis Bank statement will not have the IFSC code in it, but HDFC Bank will have, SBI Bank will have. You can easily generate those kind of statement. For Axis and other banks, you need to merge the cancelled check or passbook with the statement and make it as a single file. So there is a website for merging. I will also let you know how to do that. So you need to keep all these documents handy, and so this is smallpdf.com. You can go to this site and merge whatever the document that you have. Merge PDF is there now, or merge image file, whichever you click, it will give us a single file. And the final is signature. You need to sign clearly on a white paper. Take a photo of it. You will have to upload this. The PAN card also you will have to upload this. And all these documents are no need to print anything. Everything has to be uploaded as a soft copy to the portal. So I have given the link in the description of this video. You can use that link to go ahead and open a Demat account and get the free training courses. If you are a beginner, these courses will be definitely helpful. So this is our website, powerpangu.com. Both .in and .com will point to the same domain. So here you can see courses. So these courses will be of very helpful to you, like intraday training package. You can get it free by signing up, and you can WhatsApp this number. All these courses 8072210003. So though some of the courses will have a live demo. Even if you don't know anything about share market, these courses will help you to get started. So thank you. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me on this number on the document requirement account opening. I will ensure to help you. Our team will always be there. Thank you. Bye-bye.